Hello everyone, this is Joan from Kanen Coffee. Today we have a DeLonghi Elleta with us in the shop, and it came in because there was priming issues with the machine. Every time you turned it on, it would try to pump water, but it couldn't, and then it will ask for priming, which is priming through the hot water tap. Pretty much signifying that there's a cloggage from either the water pump all the way up to the spouts. Could be the whole water circuit. And so we went in there, I replaced the pump. So you can see your old pump for 2017. Also replaced the accessories that go on the pump, like the flow membrane, which goes right on top of the pump, and also the flow meter, just to replace them while they're in there, or while we were in there. And then also on top of that, there's quite a lot of coffee buildup in this machine, and so we did a tune-up. Pretty much our tune-up is replacing the gaskets inside the brew chamber, cleaning out the entire brew chamber, cleaning the Kanen valve as much as we can on the outside, and then also put a new brew unit in there. This is your older brew unit, and then bunch of cleaning cycles, because this machine needed around 6 to 7 cleaning cycles using detergent, and then rinsing all of it out, so it took quite a while. And then we did a we did descaling on both the heating engines on this machine, and yeah, now we're here, and now we're going to just brew a quick double shot. Sounds like the beans ain't being fed. That's just for the oils. And now it's going to go into the brewing phase. It's going to move that brew unit into position. In the process, tamping all the coffee that we just grinded. And now it's going to start brewing. Now don't worry about if there's not a lot of crema or anything along the lines. We are using really old test coffee just for demonstration purposes. But of course you could dial it in, change the grind settings, and all that stuff. But yeah. There's the coffee for you. That's about it for this video. If you'd like to repair any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.